I have taken another position here. This time I am long, and this was actually, let me see here, this is, well, this is like what, the third call here, the third call within my charting. So anyway, it's Friday, January 6th, 2017. It's late here where I am. It's 11:30 at night, Friday night, and I'm just using the code trade that I called out within my charting. One of them that I called out within my charting service long time ago, over 10 hours. So anyway, by the way, just to quickly prove that you know, what you're seeing is actual real time, we can go to the CBC and go here and let's see what price they say is for oil. Look at the oil. They say oil is at 53.49, and it was just at 53.49. See right here, it's a short while ago. Then it shot straight up, and the website hasn't updated itself yet, but it will. And anyway, for this trade, I'm not going to go for very much. I'm not going to be able to stay up too much longer anyway. So I'm just going to go for 30 ticks on this trade. So I'm going to let me set the exit, and I'll come right back. Okay, exit set for 30 ticks. It's right up there at 98. And shouldn't take too much longer for it to hit. And then I'm all done for today. And anyway, it's been a good start so far here in 2017, and which I really like, and I think it will get even more active and get even better, which will really be nice. I'm really looking forward to it, assuming that it will. I think that it will. So, I mean, January through June is typically the best time of year, period. Anyway, you can see it's about to hit. Be right back. Okay, yeah, so anyway, I'm out for 30 ticks. Wasn't too bad. Probably could have made more, I bet. But I don't want to stay up for it. Too tired. And plus, in my charting service, I did tell everybody just to go for 30 ticks per code, because I think I said 30 or 40 ticks, because typically on Friday it's pretty tight and pretty choppy usually. Well, lately anyway. So that may happen today, or this thing could, keep going higher and go higher than this high right here. But if it does what I think it'll do, it'll just stay tight and choppy. It'll probably maybe come back down a bit and just chop up and down in a tight range, which isn't much fun when you're trying to trade. And even though you know the code entries, you don't know the exact code exits. So sometimes when it's real tight, you gotta be real conservative with that. So that's why I just wanted to hit a quick 30 ticks, and that was it. Anyway, I'm going to call it a day for trading. I hope you traders, the code traders, are doing well. I hope you charting members are nailing these trades, which you should of course be doing. And I hope those of you who are not yet acquainted with the code, that I am inspiring you with these videos, because the code is the real deal. There's people out there who say that it's not, but I would like to say that they are lying. The code is the real deal, and a lot of people are learning about it. And I'm really glad to be teaching people this amazing discovery that I made. I mean, I could have kept it to myself if I had wanted to, but I really wanted to bring it out in the public for a reasonable price and let people purchase it and learn of the knowledge and be able to trade on their own. And and I think that I have done a pretty good job at that. I probably could do better, but I've done pretty good, and people have been pretty happy with it. So, anyway, it gives somebody, the average person, a chance to really be able to have a truly winning system, something that can be practiced and the skills can be honed after practicing to get better and better, and then, be able to consistently make profits. So, I mean, there's no better system in the world. There can't possibly be one. And so, I think I've done the right thing by bringing this out to the public. This, even though, what some people don't like me about me saying it, is that it's all being controlled by computer. They don't want me to say that, But just because they don't want me to say it doesn't mean it's not true. Anyway, I am gonna go and call it a day. Next week, I think it should start to really pick up, and once it starts to pick up, it'll just keep going. So this is the best time of the year. It's really time to be aggressive and trade during this time as much as you can, because this is the best time of all. Market should really start picking up. It's not doing very much today on Friday, but it's typical of what it's been doing lately. Hopefully, though, that'll change. It'll start to become good again on Friday, because it used to be good on Friday. It was always good. It was a pretty easy day, in fact. Using the code, that is. Now it's not so easy. That's why you just see me take 30 ticks. Because I really don't know what it'll do. I don't know if it'll keep going up or if it'll go back down. I really don't know. There's no way for me to know that. But anyway, I am going to go. I hope you have a good weekend. I hope you're being inspired by the codes. I will see you next week. Happy trading, and have a good weekend.